YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss about cell division. After interphase of cell cycle, which is the preparatory phase, now cell is ready to divide, to increase its number or to multiply its number, to maintain its race or its own type generation after generation. This is the process of cell division, where cell will divide to increase or multiply its number, and this cell division occur in three different ways. First one is amitosis, second one is mitosis, and third one is meiosis. In this video, we will discuss about this amitosis process. If we will go for the meaning of this word, mito means thread, which is actually used for spindle fiber. Osis means state. A here is for no. There is no spindle fiber participate in this amitosis cell division process. This amitosis cell division or amitosis first discovered by Remark in 1955 in RBC of chick embryo. But the term amitosis first was coined by or given by Fleming. In 1882. Actually, how this process is occurring? Suppose this is one cell. This one is the nucleus. This part is cell cytoplasm. During this process, first what happen? Nucleus, which is present in middle of this cell, first it will elongates and appear dumbbell like structure. Constriction appear at the middle of this nucleus and it will separate and form two daughter nuclei from one nucleus. This is one nuclei, this is another one nuclei. After the separation or after the division of nucleus, then constriction will appear in cytoplasm. A centripetal constriction will appear here and this group will increase and jointed with each other and make the cell separate to form two daughter cell. How it will appear? One cell will be like this, another will be like this. First, this is one nuclei, this is another one nuclei. After that, both the daughter cell will get separate and form two individual daughter cell. This is one, this is another one. During this amitosis process, nuclear membrane is present throughout this cell division, because you will find nuclear membrane will disappear in case of mitosis process and in case of meiosis process also. So, here nuclear membrane will be as it is during this amitosis process and there will be no spindle formation. Here spindle is not forming and not participating in this process, and chromatin also doesn't condense to form definite chromosome. Nucleus directly dividing itself to form two daughter nuclei, but chromosome is not directly participating in this cell division process. And the cytokinesis, which is the division of cytoplasm, may or may not follow this karyokinesis process, which is the division of nucleus. But here one abnormalities you will find, there will be unequal distribution of chromatin, or you can say genetic material in daughter cell, cause abnormalities in cell metabolism and reproduction. Because constriction occur and nucleus will get divided to form two daughter nuclei, there will be no equal amount of chromatin will get distributed in this case. So, there will be unequal distribution of chromatin or genetic material, cause abnormalities in metabolism and also in reproduction. Where you will find this amitosis process? Make a nucleus of paramecium endosperm of seed catalase cell, disease cell, foetal membrane of some vertebrates and internodal cell of Kara. This is all about amitosis process. Next video we will discuss about mitosis process. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.